Come visit us as we go through Fontainebleau State Park and show what it's like to camp in the back of a truck in the park.
Just really quick, like and subscribe our channel, Zooming with the Zims. Oh, this is beautiful! This is amazing. That moss is incredible. It reminds me of the rainforest. Whoa. Oh my word. This is so beautiful. It's just so much moss. It's so weird that it's considered
Nice little beach.
like, oh wow, look how cool it is. It's so beautiful. That's literally the picture.
That is New Orleans, all the way out there. That's the bridge. Goes all the way to New Orleans. Well, even though it's cold, still not a bad spot. Now to go set up camp in the bed of the truck. Glare's pretty bad. I think that'll do.
It's so cozy. I love it.
Got everything we need.
So cozy.
All right, well, first night in the truck, not RV. How is it?
It is quite nice. It is very cozy. Who needs an RV when you can sleep in a truck?
If your RV feels small, truck. It will make it feel bigger. But we have these nice lights installed now. And the heater's working. I guess this will do for a night or two. Is this the boardwalk, she says? Well, we are walking on boards. So yeah. Fortunately, Alligator Marsh Boardwalk is closed. I can see why. Well, that's that.